Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we are going to discuss possible ways to fix if your Instagram keeps crashes. Now let us discuss the methods to fix Instagram keeps crashing. Clear your caches data for Instagram. In order to do this, long press on your Instagram app. Here, click on the eye option, click on storage and cache, click on clear caches. Once you have done this, open your app and see if the problem still persists. If this doesn't help, then go to Google Play Store and search Instagram. If there's any pending update, then try updating your app. This was the second method. For the third method, what you have to do is log out account. For this, click on the profile icon at the bottom, click on menu bar, go to settings, scroll down to log out account. After clicking on this, a message will pop up like this, in which if you want to let Instagram remember your information, then click on remember. If not, then click on not now. After clicking on this, you can log out of your account. Once you have logged out, try login once again and see if the problem persists or if you are still facing the problem. Then there's no need to worry because we have some other methods. Let us discuss them. Uninstall your Instagram app. After uninstalling it, wait for the few minutes and then reinstall it again. This is basically a trick. It solves the problem most of the time. So it is possible that it can also solve your problem. So in order to update your software, click on the setting options, search for the software update option like this, system update or software update, could be anything. Check for the updates. So if you have any update, click on the update option. Your phone can take several time to get updated, but that is worth it. You will not face any problem after that. So in order to check if there's any problem in Instagram server, like if it is down or not, head to Twitter or other news website and check if there's any news regarding this. If so, you cannot do anything in this because you have to wait until it doesn't get restored. So these were the methods with the help of which you can fix Instagram crash problem. Thank you so much.